Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Candy Mutation in Croy Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Candy Mutation, you need to have this pet because this pet has ability to give the Candy Mutation. Okay, it's a mythical pet guys and it's called Candy Squirrel. For your information, I got this pet from the previous update, which is the Welly Wrapper update or Welly Wrapper event. I don't know. And this is a team reward. So it's kind of easy to get this pet. Again, this is the ability of this pet, guys. Every 17 minutes has 15% chance to apply the Candy Mutation. Yeah, it's cool, but you know, the cooldown time is so long. It works every 17 minutes, guys. Oh my god. But yeah, it's still worth. Okay, guys, and that's how we can get the Candy Mutation in Grow Garden game of Roblox. In Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.